Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Esther Salcedo Espiritu. I'm a student at Senati, and today I'm going to present my work about my abilities and those of my family. I hope you like it. Okay, let's start. She is my sister, and she can play the guitar. She plays very well. For this reason, she plays in a group. Hello, I'm an out of Esther, and I can speak 4 languages like Spanish, English, French, and Japanese. He is my brother, and he can play soccer, but he can't play very well. I can write poetry. My favorite movement is Romanticism and Realism. My favorite writer of Romanticism is Victor Hugo, and my favorite writer of Realism is Gustavo Flaubert. Hello, I'm a cousin of Esther, and I can sing. I am an artist. He is my friend Carlos. He can play basketball. He plays in the team of my neighborhood. She is my mother, and she can cook very well. In my opinion, she is the best. That's all, teacher, and thank you for your attention.